So you're a first-time home buyer and you're asking yourself, how much can I afford? The thought of buying a home is both exhilarating and scary, especially when you start thinking about the money. Let's start with the money. How much do you have saved? You need money for the down payment and the closing costs, and that's usually a pretty big chunk of change. Then you need to look at the monthly payments. Are they affordable? If you know that you'll be getting steady raises over time and you're in a stable line of work, then it's okay to pay more than you're currently paying in rent. If you're in a less stable business, I'd be more conservative. When it comes to the lender, they have federal rules that they have to follow. In general, your mortgage payment should be no more than 29% of your gross monthly income. That's before taxes and other paycheck deductions. Since everyone's situation is unique, I suggest talking to a good lender who's going to take the time to guide you in the right direction. And if you don't know where to turn, that's okay. As your realtor, you can count on me to help you find the financing that's right for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Robin Taylor with Coldwell Banker Realty in the North Hills of Pittsburgh, and this is Real Estate Done Right.